Back to Consumer Lab. We got our Mini 4 Pro, and this is from DJI. Of course, one of the best drones out there. With that being said, I was trying to do something abnormal with my drone, trying to lift up some heavy weights, and I kind of messed that up and crashed it. Never mind though, not really a big issue. I scraped up my blades. I decided to change it. Keep in mind, if you're going to change the blades, here's a great tip. There's A and B package. Make sure that you connect them according to the package diagram. If you do not, it will go unstable and crash. With that being said, A means right across from one another. B is this way across from one another. You face your drone camera away from you. With that being said, if for some reason you mix them up, the blades up like I just did here, who cares? What you do is you look at the blades and you see a little niche there, little notch there, that is an A blade. Without the notch, it is a B blade.